Hey there, and welcome back to the Could Try Harder channel, where today in part 3 of the camper passenger door repair we're going to be welding on the new door skin. I should say at this point that I am not a professional, although it's probably evident by now, but also this isn't a how-to. We are in lockdown again, and so I'm doing my utmost to remove all the rust in our 1971 camper and replace it with decent steel. That way, in the summer when we can go back out again, it'll all be ready to go. I have done a small amount off camera, so sorry for that, but it's just grinding welds back so that I'm in a position to crack on with adding a new door skin. And at least that means you haven't got to watch me grinding away on this damn door for hours on end. So sit back, relax and enjoy, because I'm doing all the work. So we've cut the new panel roughly down to size here, and you can see that it's still a bit over and above the size of the bit that we've cut out from the original door. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that as a template, make a mark, and that will give me an understanding where the edge of the new panel will come. Then I'm going to use this new tool that I've bought, which is an air juggler, to create a little lip in the original panel so that the new panel can go over the top of it, make welding it on easier. And also the other side of it's got a little hole punch for plug welds, so that's pretty cool. Looking for my glove. Where's my glove gone?
Where's my glove? That fireworks.
I've finished the welding, so I'm not quite sure how much of this we've got in time lapse or video. Sorry, there's a bit of acid etch primer in the air. Anyway, so it's time to have a look to see just how good or bad that door skin went on. I didn't think it was too bad actually. This is the first time I've ever repaired a door, other than the sliding door, but that was square, so that was pretty easy. Yeah, so it required a bit of work, a little bit of fettling, and I don't think it's the flattest. So there may be some ups and downs on the door itself, but not bad for a first go, hopefully. So with some filler and some paint, hopefully you'll never know. Well, you will, because you've watched the video, but nobody else will. Anyway, let's have a look. Here it is, one door skin. Give you the walk round, plug welded down the sides, and some of those will need a little bit of filler as well. but the problem is if you go too deep then it just burns a big hole. I've ground the welds down till the point where they're below so that we can fill over the top. You can see the primer's still wet. Plug welds down this side. Seems pretty well in line with the original door, not too bad. Along the bottom, considering there was not much of this door left by the time I finished cutting it out, I don't think that's too bad. Still, let me know what you think in the comments. You can judge how terrible my welding is, that's fine, I'm no professional welder. So yeah, look forward to hearing what you think. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you like it. If you don't like it, leave us a comment, let me know what you would like. Cool. See you next time. Bye.